Hey Grant Cousins, today I'm very excited to share with you a brand new grant with you. We have a $5,000 grant to talk about, so let's get into some things right after this intro.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So, Tory Burch Fellows Program just opened this grant on September 27th. This program is for women entrepreneurs that help founders of early stage companies accelerate their business through live and recorded workshops, coaching sessions, and a rich peer-to-peer network. A $5,000 business education grant and access to capital will be a part of this program. The program concludes with an intensive company presentation where experts weigh in on your business growth objectives. So how to become eligible for this grant? Well, you must be a woman entrepreneur who owns the largest or equal stake in a qualifying business that is majority 51% or more owned or controlled by a woman. You also must be 21 years or older as of the application due date, which is November 3rd, 2022. You must be proficient in English. You must be a legal resident of United States and its territories. The deadline is November 3rd, 2022 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 50 fellow selected winners of this grant will be announced in spring 2023. Now, each fellow winner will participate in a one-year fellowship, which includes a year of digital education, a $5,000 business education grant, plus access to a $0 interest loan via Kiva, a premier network of founders, instructors, and advisors, an opportunity to participate in the Fellows Lab, a mentorship event with industry leaders, and a trip to NYC, New York City for a 3-day workshop networking and community building. Now, the link to this application will be linked below. If you have any additional questions, please leave those questions down below. Now, if you don't qualify, please share this video with someone who does. They will greatly appreciate it. Now, if you like these type of videos, please leave a thumbs up, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you all. Let me know in the comment section if this grant is worth your time. And if you would check this one out, make sure to check out more recent grants at designersoapbox.com/grants. So make sure you click the link in the pinned comments in the video description below to learn more. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's get it. Bye.